See if we can talk the boys into cleaning up some beach trash here. Oh, we got a truck full too. Good morning, Provincial. I got a favor. There's a trail here that goes to the beach, and we got doggone beach cleanup trash we need to put in the truck. Can I have like 2 or 3 of your men walk down to the beach and bring the trash out here? Is that possible? Let me grab some sacks too. And we'll see if we can get that going here. We can hope. This is also from the 5th. Let me get some sacks here, and we'll see if we can't get it. I actually need a helper here, so we can still video this guy here. So let me go down and see if I can't get him. Oh my sacks are falling all over the place here. Well, if we can get this cleaned up, I'll be so happy. And here they come. It's gonna happen. By the beach, by the doggett. But yeah, if you can get this too. Oh no, I must have lost some sacks. Oh, they stole my sacks. They took them down there. We got some up here. Oh, there's my sacks there. Okay. Grab the sacks. The sacks. And then he, this way. Hey. Well, that's why I brought more sacks. I knew it. Those are probably the fishermen. Another video here where I had this bagged up. I had 3 sacks, polo sacks like this, already full, and the fishermen come and they go, and they dump the sacks out and they steal my sacks. Hey, get it bagged up here. Don't be shy. Got plenty of sacks today. This is from the children's beach cleanup. Either the 5th or the 9th. I'm losing track now. I'm going to go down and check the beach out real quick. We got another Saturday cleanup coming down. We didn't get down this far last Saturday. Oh my. I'll go and show you what we're up against here. Oh my God. Oh no. And we just did this one 2 Saturdays ago. We were down here. I got a video on it. And just look at this mess now. Just look at this. That crusty canal, I got to get that capped off. But when it's this much rain, it's so hard to keep it from snapping the safety link. Big logs coming through, boy. Looks like another Saturday beach cleanup here. I know what I can do. Maybe I can get Gilly and his crew down here. Thing is, this isn't just this area. You can see it all the way down from, you can see off in the distance from the Coke Canal on down, it looks pretty good, but this has got to stop. It's pretty much island wide. It's just getting out of control. There's some boys checking it out here. What are these guys doing? That's a good example for the kids. I think that these children actually is the ones that hip hip hooray. We'll get this out of here today. Get some of this little stuff out of here too. I remember the kid that pulled that out of the sand there. There's our proud provincial men at work, keeping Camigan clean. Now, if we could just get 100 plus 2-pad workers we had doing this, instead of cutting grass and sweeping it, I know I'm not supposed to say anything, but $395 a day, 395 pesos a day. And these hard-working men get $250. I don't think that's really fair. I'm going to go over here and get the outskirts a little bit here. Let's take the camera off. You don't have to look at me. There, get most of it. This is from some time ago. And there's a group of people that come down here all the time, on Sundays I believe. I don't see them picking up any trash. Then this area over here needs to be picked up too. So. Oh, this is kind of neat. What's this? It's like somebody tied together some type of a little decoration out of the shells. How nice. Yeah, nice to get this out of here too. But the main thing is to get the beach trash picked up. We always clean up after ourselves on the beach cleanups. This is no exception. The thing is, we already had this pegged with the children, but that was the day I gave out half my sacks to the 2-pad workers and we ran short. So I don't think I'll do that anymore. Especially since I doubt they used them. Look at this. This is cooperation now. I so wish I would have had this summer of 2021. Loon dog. No school because of the rain, huh? That's why I got my new stompers on. How do you like those, huh? I got dry, warm feet. I'm going to go ahead and pick up this area here.
Alam. Mata.
All of this over by the lighthouse. Look at all these sachets. Somebody's down here snacking away. Look at the sachets all over the place. valve that comes here. And there's actually a cavity in place. Yeah, it gets close. Beyond that almost now. Diver. That's good enough. I'll come down here another time with the kids maybe and do some nitpicking, so we'll be back.